In this video, we listed the 5 best drawing tablets under $200 on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Frunsi Standalone Drawing Tablet. The Frunsi Standalone Drawing Tablet is a cutting-edge device designed for artists seeking a seamless drawing experience. With a 13.10-inch IPS HD monitor display, this tablet offers crystal-clear visuals, perfect for detailed artwork. What sets this tablet apart is its standalone feature, eliminating the need for a computer or PC. Equipped with Wi-Fi connectivity, artists can easily access online resources and share their creations effortlessly. Whether you are a beginner or a professional artist, the Frunsi Standalone Drawing Tablet provides a versatile platform for unleashing your creativity. Number 2. UGEE 12 Plus Pen Tablet. The UGEE 12 Plus Digital Pen Tablet is a high-performance device tailored for graphic artists and designers. Featuring an 11.9-inch HD screen with 127% sRGB color gamut, this tablet delivers vibrant and accurate colors, ideal for professional artwork. With 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, artists can achieve precise and nuanced strokes, enhancing their creative output. The UGEE 12 Plus is compatible with Windows, Mac, and Android systems, providing versatility and flexibility for users across different platforms. Whether you are sketching, illustrating, or editing, this tablet offers a seamless drawing experience for all skill levels. Number 3. HUION Kamvas 13 Black Tablet. The HUION Kamvas 13 Black Graphic Drawing Tablet is a sophisticated tool designed for digital artists and illustrators. Boasting a full lamination drawing monitor with a gamut of 120% sRGB, this tablet ensures rich and accurate color reproduction, enhancing the visual quality of artwork. With a rapid 266 pps report rate and express keys for quick shortcuts, artists can work efficiently and intuitively, unleashing their creativity without limitations. The HUION Kamvas 13 Black Tablet is a versatile and reliable companion for artists seeking precision and performance in their digital creations. Number 4. XPPen Artist 12 Graphic Tablet. The XPPen Artist 12 2nd Gen Graphic Tablet is a feature-rich device tailored for artists and designers looking for precision and performance. With a 12-inch monitor and 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, this tablet offers a responsive and natural drawing experience, allowing artists to create detailed and expressive artwork. Equipped with a 60-degree tilt function and X3 stylus, users can enjoy a wide range of artistic expression and control. Compatible with Android, Windows, and Mac systems, the XPPen Artist 12 is a versatile tool that caters to a diverse range of creative workflows. Whether you are sketching, painting, or illustrating, this tablet provides the tools and features to bring your artistic vision to life. Number 5. XPPen Artist 12 16th Graphic Tablet. The XPPen Artist 12 16th 2nd Gen Little Prince Graphic Tablet is a versatile and innovative tool designed for artists seeking precision and creativity in their digital artwork. With a choice between the 12-inch and 16-inch models, users can select the size that best suits their workflow and preferences. Featuring a 60-degree tilt function and the X3 stylus, this tablet offers a natural and intuitive drawing experience, allowing artists to explore a wide range of artistic techniques and styles. Compatible with Android, Windows, and Mac operating systems, the XPPen Artist 12 16 provides flexibility and convenience for artists working across different platforms. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned professional, this tablet is equipped with the features and capabilities to bring your artistic vision to life.